Welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll take a look at the Nanoleaf Shapes wall light, exploring its key features, quick start guide, and what makes it a great choice. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Nanoleaf Shapes wall light, a power supply, a controller, rigid linkers, mounting supplies, plus a user manual and a quick start guide to help you get set up in no time. Installation. Mounting Nanoleaf Shapes with tape works well on smooth surfaces, but for textured walls or secure installations, screw mounting is recommended. First, arrange your panels with mounting tape to confirm the layout and spacing. Remove the panels while keeping the mounting plate attached, mark the screw holes and remove the plate. Drill pilot holes, install anchors, and secure the mounting plate with screws. Finally, snap the panels back into place, reconnect the linkers, and complete a strong, reliable installation. How to pair. To pair your Nanoleaf Shapes hexagons, use a compatible iOS or Android device with Bluetooth enabled and connect to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Make sure the Nanoleaf controller shows a solid white indicator. In the Nanoleaf app, tap Add Device, then scan the QR code, enter the 8-digit pairing code, or use NFC. Once paired, you can change colors and scenes, adjust brightness, group lights, schedule lighting, and use screen mirroring. The shapes can also be controlled by Siri, Google Assistant, or Alexa for convenient voice operation. How to reset. If you face pairing or connection issues, reset your Nanoleaf Shapes to clear Wi-Fi and pairing settings while keeping saved scenes and schedules. Press and hold the power and plus buttons on the controller for 10 seconds until the lights start flashing. After the reset is complete, remove the device from the Nanoleaf app and pair it again. Smart features? Transform your space with lights that react to music beats in real time, create dynamic color effects and immersive lighting scenes for gaming, parties, or entertainment. Control your Nanoleaf Shapes from the Nanoleaf app. Customize colors, brightness, scenes, schedules, and smart home settings from your phone. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your Nanoleaf Shapes wall light. See you in the next one.